So I am Jeffrey Dasikan Ilbuki and I am recent BSB graduate in economics with internship experience in the market analysis and financially planning. I'm excited to start my career and apply my skills. So I admire your company's innovation and want to contribute my skills to help you grow. I am organized, detailed, oriented, and a good communicator. I tend to take on too much, but I'm learned to delegate. I address conflict by encouraging open communication and understand each person's perspective. Then I work with the team to find a solution that's benefit everyone.